Let me show you how I built an entire customer retention analysis in OpenAI Codex. It took raw customer data, ran root cause analysis, built clean visualizations, and even turned it into a leadership-ready deck. I know, it's crazy. But hear this out. If you work in data, this is going to sound familiar. It's 2 p.m. and leadership messages you, why did customer retention drop last month? Need a deck by 4. Sound familiar? You and I both know that this is a super tight turnaround. Normally, that means that writing SQL to pull the data from a data warehouse, exporting it into spreadsheet, building charts, then rushing to put together slide while also making sure that your analysis makes sense. Like, how? But what if I told you that you can actually meet that timeline? I had a customer retention file with 15,000 rows saved locally on my machine. I connected the project folder in OpenAI Codex and gave it this prompt. Find what's driving the retention drop last month, build a cohort analysis, and turn the top insights into a leadership deck, because that's what we need. And within minutes, Codex found that the weekly retention dropped from 72% to 46%, which is a 26 points drop, and traced the root cause back to new mobile version launch. Who would have thought? And no, it didn't stop there. It took the analysis, turned it into clean visuals and presentation I could actually bring it into a meeting. Of course, I reviewed the findings, challenged one of the takeaways, and asked it to rerun the analysis, and it updated everything. That's when I realized I didn't have to jump between 5 different tools to do the analysis. I stayed in one place, applied my analytical judgment on the analysis, and the final output was something I could actually put my name on. If you work in data, you have to give it a try. Comment Codex, and I'll send you the link.